our channel. On today's episode, we will be playing
The Gauntlet Match.
Okay, so what? How?
The only thing I understand is we fight John Cena. You, me, and the Taker is on the same side. But the question is, yes. But the question is, will we face him one-on-one? Then we are beep. I was hoping we get them all together. So let's go.
That's not fair.
That's the whole point. Let's go.
Oh, handsome. Who's that?
That's John Morrison.
Morrison.
You know, even wearing his glasses when he go into the ring. Oh, darn it! I was right.
Let's do it to you first.
It's me first. Yeah, not this.
Why?
I have to fight him, and then you might not even get in there.
It's okay. That's the point of the game.
Ow.
Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown here. Hold on, where's he going?
Goodbye.
He's running around.
But maybe the most impressive
That's funny.
is his little toughness. I'm not sure I've ever seen Cena lose focus in a match.
He's following you. That's funny,
He's
right?
gonna get the advantage and maintain control.
Yeah.
John Cena came here tonight to battle. John Cena came here looking for a fight. And that's exactly what he's gonna get.
That's what he's not gonna get. I'm gonna wait.
I can't believe this is a no disqualification. Whoa, watch out! Look at that thing is getting torn down.
I thought you were gonna hit Cena with it.
I can't.
John Cena
You
has said
can't?
that WWE
No, you
is
just
his
take that.
life, his
Come,
passion.
come, get out here.
Remember, this is a no disqualification matchup.
No disqualification, so you can
Huge
do
collision
anything.
with the barricade. Good.
Whoa, that's awesome. Go get him. Get him.
Excitement in the air is palpable.
Watch out.
It's no holds barred.
Whoa.
He said no dislocation.
Yes, no disqualification.
What's he
That
doing?
just means
What's
I
he
can
doing
use
with those
this.
steps?
Yep.
Good lord.
Wow.
Naming his opponent. That was vicious. He's just brutalizing his opponent.
Oh. Watch out. Yeah.
When they say extreme rules, it doesn't get
Yeah.
any more extreme than this match.
More.
Another
Oh yeah.
vicious shot with that foreign object.
One
You
more.
gotta be kidding me. He's still not through.
Oh no, it's his turn.
John Cena.
His R2 is working, mine is not.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Keep your eye on Cena.
We need to change.
Over the last 10 years, SmackDown has excited the WWE
What are you
Universe
doing?
with some of the
You cannot
most
so brag.
memorable moments in television
Yeah,
history.
I'm on the
And we're
outside,
witnessing
but not you.
more amazing moments here
Ooh,
tonight.
yeah.
Throughout John Cena's career, he's never quit. No matter how tired he is, no matter how bruised and battered he is, John Cena keeps going. He's got the steel steps again. And again he gets struck with that object. The viciousness of this match is off the charts. Up again to the neck of Cena's.
Ah.
And don't
Eat my
forget, Cena
shoes.
has sustained a career-threatening neck injury. One has to wonder if the strategy is to
Whoa.
test that neck again here tonight.
Whoa.
And here's
Yes,
the
it is.
Come on.
Breaking your neck.
Ouch, he's
Oh.
gonna get bruised from head to
Why did you
toe
hit
before
the
this one's
eggs?
over. These
The
guys
ball.
are just relentless with each other.
Oh, back. You. That's your signature, love. Hitting with.
Yes, my signature is the step sitting.
No disqualification match. Anything goes. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh, well, I can guarantee he feels way worse about it.
Wow. Jump. Pin.
Look out! Oh, no.
Wow.
Superstar capitalized.
See, now he's getting second
We
wind.
saw it all in this match.
His
Ken,
second win?
and those repeated
Wind.
blows to the skull have
Kick him.
definitely taken their toll. Well, I don't know if
Watch
the
out your
head was
back.
intensely focused on, but it definitely took a lot of damage. What
Oh,
a
no.
battle this has been. There's no
Oh, R2.
disqualification, anything
It's not working.
Oh no, he's gonna jump. Crawl.
I can't do
Bro.
anything in that. This is movie cinema.
Oh.
Cena's held world titles on numerous
R2.
occasions.
Can't do
Nobody
it.
has a champion's drive like John Cena.
You cannot do R2?
No, it's not working.
Maybe you need to change the thing.
How did he get the upper hand suddenly?
Oh no.
How much more extreme will this match be? He thinks he has it.
Kick.
2, 3 superstars.
Oh well. What?
The Undertaker.
Undertaker.
Look at the eyes. 20 years of
Wow.
destruction for the Undertaker. Looking to continue that here tonight. Into the cover, hooks the leg. 2, 3.
Oh my god, don't tell me I will face... What?
No.
Where am I?
Taker won the match for us.
Here are your winners, the Superstar and the Undertaker.
An emotional victory.
I didn't get to finish
That's what I said. Ja. Okay.
Next we'll be playing...
Tables match. You can only win by breaking the table with your opponent, not yourself.
Breaking the table.
Yeah. Where?
What did you do?
Flammable table. That's cool.
All the damage to the torso, all the pain that's been dealt, appears to have finally taken its toll. Del Rio controlling the head.
Come and get me.
Stop throwing it out, you.
Look at the look on Del Rio's face.
Whoa.
Quick salt breaker, the arms hyperextended, and this should do it. And he breaks the hold, keeping himself in the match. Del Rio with the arm.
Okay.
What a slam!
Wait.
I think it's gut check time now.
Oops.
Right.
Drops the elbow.
Carried him now. Oops. Whoa! You break the ball! You break it!
One everywhere.
Is that? Now you and me fight?
I don't know. You should have won.
Yes.
You went through the table.
Maybe you have to break the through the table. Oops.
on-
Wow, that's wrong.
But it's on fire.
Oh, there's more table.
That doesn't make sense.
There's more table.
This is where Del Rio is so dangerous.
Ouch.
Sorry. Move, love.
Wow, look at that great flexibility. Oh, that
Whoops.
Daniel's knocking silly.
L1.
Rolling out of the ring, and it might be time for him to reassess the situation.
I'm resting outside. Okay. Hey. Oops.
Watch this! And now, looking to put him away.
Whoa.
Superstar capitalized. And he gets out
Wow,
of the
so
ring,
tight.
stopping this assault for the moment.
We need another table. And put in this
In the
corner.
corner here, bad spot to
There's
be
no
in.
more tables here.
Under the table should be more tables.
Oops.
This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this has been physical.
Oh.
Shit.
Not dead.
What? What?
Oh, look at this.
Oh, no, no. Oh. But I don't understand why we don't win. He went to the table.
Maybe you need to. What?
No, he's got it again.
We can't do
There's
it.
another table, look. Watch
Yeah.
out.
There's something wrong with this game.
Good Lord, he's just hell-bent on naming his opponent. He's just lethal with that thing. Hey! Oh, not again.
Maybe I ruined it when I put it on fire.
Watch it.
Huh.
He eats the canvas.
All you need to do is finisher. That way, that way.
Oh yeah. Grab. Grab, grab, grab.
Don't have anything more.
That punch lands hard.
Why did you grab him?
Backbreaker.
I don't have that kind of finisher.
And he wants to get out of there in the worst way.
Cannot get in.
He's got wood.
L1. How many tables do he have? Where did he get those? Right, move. Oh no,
No,
that's how you do it. How did he do that?
Oh no, that's me.
I know that's you, but we don't have much time left.
Okay, just hit me then.
Too late. Time's out now. So,
Ah!
so
Draw, draw, draw.
doesn't make sense.
You'll see us for our next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye. God bless.